Hi, this is Steve Walton from Tropic Heating and PatioHeat.com. Previously, we took a look at this property and we took a look at this structure over here. And this time, we're going to look at this structure over here. As you can see, it's a small seating area. And I'm just going to go ahead and do something a little bit different than normal. But I'm going to go ahead and just show you the different aspects of heaters as we look at it from a distance. So you can see that there's some different coverage that we can gain. So this would be one coverage, this would be another coverage, and this would be a third coverage. So first of all, let's go ahead and look at the overall dimensions. Here we have about 10-foot height, about 8-foot depth, and 16-foot width. And yeah, so we have this beam that comes across here, and we also have a doorway. The doorway is important because if this doorway swings out, then there's really one option that we have. So we have to keep that in mind. I can't put a heater above a doorway and then have that doorway open out and have the heat ray penetrating the top of the door and creating a fire hazard. So this is only true if this doorway is opening inwards. And so let's go ahead and look at the different options. So the first display I have here is not an option, actually. These are 4,000 watt units, so single element. You can see that they cover the area quite well. Two of these units would. But the problem is that we do have a clearance issue, and this clearance, this yellow globe here is the clearance for the unit. And you can see that if we have it in this configuration, we're penetrating this wall. This is 18 inches of clearance from the face of the unit downwards and over, and then also 36 inches down below. And then also right here, it penetrates the beam. Now, technically speaking, if we extend these brackets, lowering the unit so that we have this match up. Sorry, here, I'm going to put this a little closer. This 8 inches of clearance match up to the bottom edge here so that the heater's bottom is at the same elevation, then that would be okay. And we pulled it out a few inches so that we can meet this clearance over here. But I actually think this is a little bit overkill. The seating area is just a casual seating area with a couple of chairs, and I think that's more than what would be needed for that. So let's look at the second option. The second option would be two of the WD either 5024s or 4024s. They have two elements. They're shorter units, and they also have a clearance at the bottom. That clearance you can see is met. And of course the doorway here again has to be something that would be opening inwards and not outwards for this unit to be possible here. So that would be a second option. You can see also that the coverage is quite well. We got, you know, practically the entire space heated well. So that's another option. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the clearance below. And let's go ahead and turn the ray off here, and we'll turn the next option on. So the final option would be to use a single unit behind this beam. I have 6 inches of clearance back here, and then the brackets maintain the 6 inches of clearance here. This is roughly about, I believe it's a 15 to 20 degree angle downwards and in towards the seating area. So let's see what the ray looks like there. Now you can see that the ray is perfectly suited well for this type of seating here. However, if you're sitting back here, you're not getting the full benefit of the heater this far out, because the footprint, this particular edge has to travel further or down here. If you were sitting like this chair, for instance, if we move this chair over, you know, we can see that we're not really getting penetrated by the ray efficiently, or ideally is a better term. So that would be only, again, if that seating area was more of this style of the seating. So, and this is perfectly well. You can see that we are hitting the seating area fine. So this is a good choice, and probably the best choice for this type of application. A single unit, 4,000 watt, at about a 10 to 20 degree tilt, and meeting all your clearances there. And also, if the doors did open up, I think this would be the option that you could take. All right. Well, thank you for watching the video. If you're looking for some assistance on your outdoor heating needs, we're here to help. Just send us an email to support@patioheat.com. I'm Steve Walton from Tropic Heating and patioheat.com. Thank you very much, and have a great day.